Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making cookie dough. So this is the things you're going to need. You'll need some, no not that. You're going to need some baking paper, some trays, some cookie dough. You can make it or you can just buy it. A knife, a chopping board, and some scissors. So your grown-up has to do this part. You have to cut there. My daddy's helping me today. And then you can open it up better. Okay, take your chopping board and your knife. Now, what you're going to do is, as soon as your cookie dough is open, pop it on the chopping board. Okay? It's a very light one. And then, yeah, so that's the cookie dough, what it looks like. And then, now the fresh part. I'm going to cut our cookie dough. Okay? Oh, it's really hard. Really hard. And now I'm just going to keep doing some more.
Okay, you start rolling it.
And now we have to roll these into balls, which is the hard part because it sticks to your hands. Well, it's not really the hard part. The hard part is if you can't read.
If a little ball makes a little cookie.
If it's a little ball, it makes it a little cookie. But if it's a big ball, it makes it a big cookie. And then pop them on your baking tray. And these are what they can look like. But you have to squish them down a little bit. Squish. Not too much, only slightly. And you can look like this. It's up to you. Oh, and you can just make it, but we bought this from the shops, and it said you do not have to make it. So that's what we will do. So this is a little cookie. Let me get a tiny one. It says not to eat. It says not to eat when it's not cooked, but I always eat the chocolate chips.
Well, you should try and make them the same size so that they cook the same. They take the same amount of time to cook. The smaller ones take less time. So they might burn and you get them the bigger ones.
Okay, I'm going to start my pause and I will see you in a minute. So, bye. See you in a minute. Okay, so guys, we're back. So, I'll show you the cookies, how they look like, and then in the end I'll show you too. So, come on. They take the trays. They can look any way, actually. So, these are what they look like. So this is one of our trays. You can make two if you have lots of cookie dough. That's what they look like. And these ones look similar, but they're actually not the same. Look, they're similar.
That's a bit of you. Yeah. All right, we'll put them in the oven now.
So, Dad, how much do you have to pop it to?
180 degrees. 180 and
180 degrees for 10 minutes.
All right, we'll come back in 10 minutes and see what they look like.
Yeah, we'll come back in 10 minutes. So, bye, we'll see you again. Bye, guys, so they're ready now. It's exciting.
All right, let's get them out. I'll just pop them up there, Olive. Hang on. Alrighty.
And these are what they look like.
They look good. What do you think, Olive? Yep.
Yummy.
Yep. Alright.
So thanks for watching. Bye. Hit the thumbs up. Bye.